Hello kids, welcome to the Math Tutor. Today we are going to learn about multiplying integers. You know what all integers are? Integers consist of positive integers, 0 and negative integers. What happens if you multiply two integers? If two integers are having the same sign like plus or plus, if you multiply them, okay, their product will always be the same sign like plus. If you multiply two integers having negative sign, then their product will be positive. If you multiply two integers having opposite signs, it's always negative. It's minus into plus or plus into minus. You have to remember these rules for the multiplication of integers. Suppose I'm taking two integers 7 and 3. 7 times 3, we all know the answer will be 21. Suppose if I take minus 7 times minus 3, what will be the product? While multiplying, you should always consider the absolute value of the integer. For example, absolute value of minus 7 will be 7 and minus 3 will be 3. Okay, so 7 times 3, it becomes 7 times 3 now. Got it? 7 times 3 equals to 21. Now what about the sign part? It should be plus or minus. It should be plus. See, we already learned minus times minus is always becomes plus. So even if you don't write symbol also, it's fine. Understand? Next, the same integer I am taking minus 7 times 3. Here we have a negative sign and here is a plus sign. Minus and plus. Again, you have to remember, you have to consider the absolute value of minus 7. What's the absolute of minus 7? It will be 7. So 7 times 3 equals to 21. And while multiplying, if they are of different signs like minus and plus or plus and minus, their product will always be a minus. So here I got minus 21. Understand? Let us see some more examples for multiplying the integers. Let us consider minus 2 times minus 3 and 4 times 5. In the above example, both are of the same sign. Here also, both are of the same sign. If in these cases, having the same sign minus and minus here, their product will always be a positive sign here. Same here too. Positive and positive, you'll get the product will be positive. And while multiplying, you should remember you have to multiply the absolute value of the integer. Like minus 2, absolute value will be 2 and minus 3, absolute value will be 3. So minus 2 times minus 3 will be 2 times 3, that equals to 6. And since these are the same sign minus, you will get plus sign here. Understand? The second example which we considered here, 4 times 5. Since both are of the same sign, you get the plus here, and absolute value of 4 is 4 and absolute value of 5 will be 5. So 4 times 5 equals makes 20. Okay, let us consider an example where both the integers product, like one is having a minus symbol, the other is having a positive sign. We all know to multiply we should consider the absolute value of the integer. The absolute value of minus 3 will be 3 and 5 will be 5. So 3 times 5 equals to 21. Since these integers are having the opposite sign, here minus is there and here plus is there. So their product will always be negative. Okay. Let us consider one more example. Like 7 times minus 6. What do you think their product will be? Their product, since both are having opposite signs, their product will be minus, and absolute value of 7 is 7 and absolute value of minus 6 is 6. So 7 times 6 equals to 42. You just need to remember that if you are multiplying the same sign, their product will be positive, and you are multiplying the integers having opposite signs, like one is plus, the other one is minus, their product will be minus. I hope you understand the lesson. If you have any doubts, you can message me in the comments box. I will reply. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.